liver. What's this green organ called? Gallbladder. Sounds good to me. What's this organ right here, Mr. Gilmore?
Kidney. Or wait.
Spleen.
Oh.
This is the spleen. He's quite large. Now, she wants to know where the kidney is. There's this cute little, what's this?
Kidney.
That's kidney. Specifically, left kidney. Now watch this here, Mr. Gilmore. All this stuff right here, we call it what? Greater omentum. I'm going to take the greater omentum, Mr. Gilmore. And I'm going to pull it up. Stay with me, stay with me.
Oh, how cool is that? Oh my God.
I want to tell you omentum, so I want to carefully remove it. Oh. All right, so Mr. Gilmore, what is all this? This is called the greater omentum. If that's greater omentum, Mr. Gilmore, what's this? This is going to be referred to as the lesser omentum. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Now, Mr. Gilmore, what's this organ right here?
Stomach. That's
the stomach. If that's the stomach, Mr. Gilmore, tell me what this is. See this thin thing that looks like brisket?
Oh my God. Not
Mr. Gilmore, you just messed brisket up.
Yeah.
Look, you see this
I had brisket
right
yesterday.
That muscle is the pancreas. It's very thin, but it resembles to me brisket. Now, Mr. Gilmore, what's all this? This is all small intestines. So, Mr. Gilmore, if you were to tag a red vessel on here, just like what you see right here, it's going to be called intestinals. You see that? Mm-hmm. All right, Mr. Gilmore, but here's the catch. The small intestines is going to meet the large intestines right here. So what's this area right here called? That valve is called ileocecal valve, just like you found. This is going to be the cecal. But Mr. Gilmore, I need you to do something for me. I need you to raise that up. This valve is distended. That means he got a lot in there.
Oh.
All right, now, you'll notice this right here, Mr. Gilmore. What's this? Those are uterine tubes or fallopian tubes. You'll notice over here, Mr. Gilmore. Yeah, you got a girl. This right here is an ovary, Mr. Gilmore. This over here is an ovary.
Wow.
Y'all see that?
Yeah.
All right. But Mr. Gilmore, what's this bag in this pool?
Ooh, the bladder.
That's the bladder. All right.
Now, how come they didn't empty out the valve?
That's a good question.
Bladder.
That's okay. We got to keep it moving.
This is neat.
All right, Mr. Gilmore, this is what I need you to do. I need you to pull this over because it's about to get real right quick. Now, I don't want you to mess this up, Mr. Gilmore. I won't. All I'm doing is taking a probe. Can't mess it up with a probe. Now, Mr. Gilmore, what you looking for? You'll see in a second. Just bear with me. What are you doing? I'm taking a probe. I'm not taking anything else but a probe. What are you looking for? Just bear with me. Somebody can see that big red structure right there. Just bear with me. That's your landmark. Now, what's this organ over here again, Mr. Gilmore?
Left kidney?
Kidney, specifically the left kidney.
For our test, if we were to just write kidney, would that be considered right, or would we have to put the left or right kidney?
You have to have left or right kidney. Mm-hmm. I need scissors.
I'm sure. You're going to empty out that valve?
Yeah, that set this room up. You hold that, baby. I'm gonna hold this thing. She know how to do splits. It's okay. That's a hole. Vibration. Yeah. Take that lady on the shoulder. Man, you know the perfect dissection. Now, I gotta point this out to the class. This is perfect. Again, this will really be good. Okay? I'm gonna take this picture and I'm gonna advise you all to get it because it's a really big picture. You'll notice, Mr. Gilmore, I got this cute little thing we call what?
Bladder.
Urinary bladder. And coming from the urinary bladder is this cute little thing right here. There's only one of them. Its name is urethra. Now, you're going to notice I'm going to use the term 2 ureters for 1 urethra. Now, this urethra comes straight down from it, Mr. Gilmore, so I can see it right there. What I'm going to do is wait for it, wait for it, wait, freeze. Wrong button. Hold what you got. There you go. That's a good shot. That's a